And every day it's like the last day. One day out, every day is one day out. So we give it all we have. We make sure we give it 100%. And that's what we do for winning number one. Everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We have a very special guest today. Fresh off his Chicago Pro win and now going into Tampa Pro next week. We have Mr. Foda. All the way from Egypt and obviously Dubai. Team Dungeon, we're out here. Mo's got push today, and so chest, shoulders, triceps. I've got upper, so I'm going to run through the majority of push with him, and then I'll tag on some back at the end, and then we'll hit some posing, and I'll look like a little boy, and that is fine, because he's Chicago Pro Open champ. So let's get into the session. Can't get too excited, just I'm training with the champ now. I can't get myself injured this close to a show. That would be very stupid to do that. So 4 plates on here, we'll take this for 2 sets. What's next?
What's next? We're gonna do a fly.
Nice easy movement.
Yeah. 3, 4.
Be a brave man now. Be a brave man and take my top off. I'll train next to him. Breathe. Come on. Yes. Let's go. Come on, buddy. Yeah.
Easy. Yeah, I'm not tired. Yeah. Come on. Easy. Yeah. Muscle. 7 release. It's up. Come on. Come on.
I knew I'm gonna win. Maybe the show, because the show was backstage, I knew like because I saw Ovs in backstage. I knew like no, I'm gonna win the show today. Yeah, but maybe against Underjack, like you know, maybe I'm gonna feel something different because he's Underjack. Top Mr. Lambi. But job, as you said, job is not finished. I will still have 2 competitions more to prove myself, put my name up. So maybe next one I feel different. Maybe. Oh, some high intensity shit today. So that is our, what was that, Mo? 45-minute long session?
Yeah, that's 45 minutes.
All he needs, 45 minutes. High intensity, low rep. We push, we keep pushing. Last few days, 6 days. And every day it's like the last day. One day out, every day is one day out. So we give it all we have. We make sure we give it 100%. And that's what we do for winning #1. There you go, you had it from the champ there. I appreciate you, Mo, for joining me for a push session, a push part of my session. I've got one movement on back left, one upper back row. Then I'm going to pose, and then we'll go home and chill. Check-ins are all done. It's Friday. Maybe we'll go head out somewhere, I don't know, get a little coffee for a stroll. Laid back. Thank you for watching, people. We'll see you in the next one. Keep following. Something very, very exciting coming soon. If you haven't worked out why the fuck I'm here,